Well then, I've been eating a lot of Toblerone. I've eaten 4 and I've got 2 white ones left. Because I don't like them as much as the dark ones.
Welcome back everybody, my name is Dean from Scenescapeshop and this is your Coffee Break Thursday. So last week painted me the Toblerone Mountain, the Matterhorn, and used only 3 colours, black, white and blue. Enjoyed painting the mountain. I want to do a 2-part special to celebrate the relationship Scenescapeshop now has with Toblerone. Thank you very much to the good folks at Toblerone. If you want to take advantage of their very kind offer of getting 20% off any of their products, use the link below, click on that, and choose whatever you want, and then at checkout enter the code TBLR20OFF. That's TBLR20OFF to get 20% off all of their products. Now, I've also launched my new free art prints range this week. Starting to get sales straight away for that, so a lot of my time is going to be taken up getting them printed, packed up and sorted. Photobox, thank you very much for your support. Could not be doing the offer without Photobox's help, so thank you to those folks at Photobox as well. But yeah, a lot of my work, a lot of my time is going to be spent up over the next few weeks doing those. So for that reason, I've got a few paintings in the vault from last year, from my old art studio actually, which I've recorded and time-lapsed and stuff. And I'll be presenting them in the next few weeks, just in case you don't see my face. You're like, where's Dean? I'm just working behind the scenes. A lot of negotiations going on with quite big companies and stuff for this year. But I thought it was important that you still have a coffee break to watch, be able to put your feet up for 10 minutes and relax. So I've got a few paintings in the vault and we'll just push those out over the next few weeks. Give me a chance to work in the background. Right, just a very short introduction this week because I need to get back, but this is the Matterhorn Part 2, Toblerone's classic mountain. One of my favourite pictures actually that I've painted. I really enjoyed painting this one. And I used a few different techniques on it as well. Now you might see me halfway through scraping the snow away. That happens when you create mud and it gets too difficult to paint on mountains, but it's all good when painting mountains. No one should ever be frustrated painting mountains. When you make a mistake with a mountain, scrape it off. It just adds to the lower texture, the base texture. So it's all good with mountains. Mountains can handle it. No one, artists out there, never get frustrated with painting mountains. They are awesome to paint. Very easy, and if it goes wrong, it adds to the mountain. That's fine. This one will be on sale later today. There has been a few people interested from this painting on purchasing that, and then waiting to see this week's painting before they decide which one to buy. So if you are interested in that one or this one coming up, tell me straight away, because there's 3 or 4 people waiting for this video to see if you want that one or this one. Alright, I said it was going to be a quick introduction. I've ended up talking like for forever, so sorry. Alright, so it's Coffee Break Thursday. You know what to do. Pop that kettle on, make yourself a cup of coffee, put your feet up, sit back, relax and enjoy. Cheers.